close that door.
Okay, you can go ahead.
Very good. Hi, everybody, and thank you for attending this latest in a series of Boston Global Forum Distinguished Lectures, which we hope will continue and be very much a part of the Boston Global Forum for a long time to come. Today's distinguished lecture is designed to introduce the forum's yearly topic for 2014. And an important topic it is, the relationship between and among the United States, Japan, and China. Throughout the year, we'll be calling on scholars, leading experts, and practitioners to participate and engage with us in this very important topic. Additionally, in the coming months, the Boston Global Forum will host 3 conferences on U.S., Chinese, and Japanese relations. The first will be on April 24th, the second on September the 17th, and the third will be on November the 5th, all in the year 2014. We're excited about these conferences and hope they will further the debate on the issues facing and the opportunities presented in the relationship between the United States and China and Japan. These conferences will also feature a number of extraordinary contributors, including today's guest speaker, Professor Joseph Nye. I've known Joe Nye ever since we taught together and worked together at the Kennedy School at Harvard. He is a University Distinguished Service Professor at the Harvard Kennedy School of Government, where he previously served as Dean. He's also a member of our Global Forum's Board of Thinkers. It's abundantly clear that there are few scholars with as much renown and influence in a career as Joe Nye has had. In fact, a recent poll on international relations marked him as the most influential scholar on U.S. foreign policy, and he's done many, many things, not just in academia, but in the real world of policy making. He graduated summa cum laude from Princeton, studied at Oxford as a Rhodes Scholar, and ultimately earned his PhD in political science at Harvard. Throughout his distinguished career, he served in many high-level positions. He was Assistant Secretary of Defense for International Security Affairs. He's been Chairman of the National Intelligence Council and a Deputy Undersecretary of State. So in Joe, we have a very, very special person and somebody for whom I have enormous respect. He's also an author and a researcher, and maybe the person who coined the phrase soft power, the power game, and many other publications. But he's really one of the most thoughtful people in international relations today. And he, together with me, will be leading the discussion throughout the year on this very important topic. It's my great honor to introduce you to a distinguished scholar, a great thinker, and a friend, Professor Joseph Nye.